Hi, I am Chef Maggie Lawson, and I'm here in my home kitchen in Oakland, California, interviewing Chef Erika. And we are here to share some tips on meal preparation, and planning for busy families. What are some tips that you can give other parents or just busy people who's not busy, right, about healthy eating and meal planning specifically?
Even if you don't enjoy cooking, I think there's lots of ways to kind of make it simple. One of which is really just starting and making sure that your kitchen is stocked to begin the process. So that means having a variety of oils and vinegars and grains and spices that can inspire the home cook. And then, simply letting the ingredients also inspire you, different kinds of proteins, whether they're vegetarian or meat proteins, going to the markets, seeing what's in season, and then when you bring home those ingredients, you're able to then come up with kind of different improvisations if you're not such a big, planner like I am. I feel like I let the ingredients often inspire me. And then other times I do get inspired by a particular recipe and I go to the market looking for specific things to make. But in general, I feel like I like to make big portions of things so that I'm not, scrounging every night to make different meals. I also really appreciate certain tools that I have in my kitchen that I feel like can inspire different types of cooking, whether it's a slow cooker or I use my steamer all the time, both for breakfast. I will quick steam a lot of different vegetables and we'll eat them throughout the day as snacks, and I pack them in my daughter's lunch. I also love my rice cooker, and we'll make different things that I can put in the fridge and then later complement in different ways during the week.